Day 1 in Thailand.
Wala, day 1 pa lang.
Day 1.
Day 1 pa eh.
Day 1 pa lang in Thailand. Bukas kamang-kamang na.
Wala.
Money is like a piece of paper only. If you want to burn it, burn it.
Yes! Sino pa na?
Joke lang.
Wala na lang.
Happiness can't buy. May hawakan man sa likod ko. May hawakan sa likod ko.
Oh, what?
Day 1 in Thailand.
Sit down!
Sit down here.
Guys, plano na po sila kung saan sila pupunta mamaya.
Kasi 5 days tayo para
Hi everyone! We're going back to Bangkok. It's our 3rd day today. So we're having fun. So far so good in Pattaya. So see you later in Bangkok.
Bye!
ไม่ต้องทำเป็นงง